So as promised, someone has asked me for a video about how to use an SNS. So that's what this is. In particular, the lady was after tips about positioning and about kind of, it's quite fiddly to get a baby to latch on. Now, as you can see, when I took the original video in January, I was the mother of a baby and now the mother of a toddler. So we're going to give this a go. She does still nurse, but she's a little bit less amenable, and it's kind of on her terms. So I'm going to give it a go. This is kind of the best time of day for us to try and persuade her to nurse, but we have just had dinner, so she may not be hungry yet. So it probably goes without saying, but this video is going to involve some nudity because I'm going to have my boobs out so that you can see how to use, did I say boobs, how to use an SNS. So, Miss Olive, would you mind standing here for just for 1 second? I know. So, I long ago stopped using the cord just because it drove me nuts. So, what I tend to do is stick my SNS under here these days. I still use the smallest red tubes, just because we've never needed to go any bigger than that. And as I said in my previous video, I know Bubba, bit of tape, I'm teasing her now, it's a bit hard, bit of tape on there with a bit left to spare. Now, here comes the nudity. Okay, so the way I tape it on is so that it's, hopefully you can see that, roughly kind of flush with my nipple, but standing out a little bit. Now, what I do, untie it here, come on, and then on she goes. So, it's probably not that easy for you to see from there. A moment, let me try and move. So, this is a mama's eye view, because obviously that's what you're going to be seeing. Yeah, one of the downsides of nursing a toddler is they start playing with the tubes. Right, Olive, could you leave that, please? So as you can see there, the tube kind of just sits nicely in her mouth, and away she goes, playing with the SNS. I know, darling. So yeah, it's probably a better angle for you to see. It stands a little bit proud of my boob there. You just kind of hold it there, and let them go. Yeah, is that tasty? Nice. Yeah? And she will pretty much do this until the feed is full. Until she's had enough and something more interesting comes along, and then she'll probably run off. Once you've kind of used it for a moment or two, you'll find that the back pressure means it's not leaking, the second they break suction. But you do just want to keep an eye on it, because eventually it will start just leaking milk everywhere. Olive? Boob. As you can see, she's kind of got the drill pretty down pat now. So yeah, that's how to do it. If you want any specific advice or sessions or support, I'm more than happy to have Skype sessions with anyone and to kind of walk you through your particular sort of issues, if that kind of makes it easier. So I'm going to go now before she breaks the feeder. But yeah, give me a shout in the same way as usual, and let me know if you need anything else. Thanks, bye.